एंड प्रॉबली आपको एक चैलेंज आता है कि मैं बना तो दिया बड़ा सुंदर है। प्रीवियस सेशन में हमारे फ्रेंड बोल रहे थे कि बनाना आसान है, बेचना मुश्किल है।
आपका ब्रांड इमेज बनता है, बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जिनसे ब्रांड इमेज बनता है।
Okay, every homestay wants to have the standards of a hotel, and every hotel wants to have the personalization and the story of a homestay.
First, we need to understand what PR is, right? So PR is all about publicity, correct? But aaj PR is not about publicity.
It's about where we talk about something that keeps the booking coming, that keeps the brand shining, and we are here talking about marketing. Yes, so our next session is performance marketing in hospitality. I would like to invite our speakers to please come and join us. Let's give a huge round of applause and invite here Mr. Tony Sapra, founder Alker Getaways. Aisha Dahra, I would request her, Senior Brand Consultant, Brand Talk Communication. Durvesh Yadav, Entrepreneur, Marketer, Author of Sales Overflow, Founder, Rising Star Communication. Let's invite them here to please join us on the stage.
Good morning each one of you. वेलकम टू दिस एक्साइटिंग सेशन। अब हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं एक ऐसी बातचीत जहां हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स रियल एक्सपीरियंसेस, चैलेंजेस और ग्रोथ के स्टोरीज शेयर करेंगे। आई वुड लाइक टू गिव अ वार्म वेलकम टू मिस टोनी सप्रा, मिस आयशा धारा, मिस्टर दुर्वेश यादव एंड मिस्टर फ्लॉयड। गिव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर टोनी सप्रा। आपके 35 साल के होटल सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद आज आपकी की स्ट्रैटेजीज क्या है जब बात प्रॉपर्टी सेल्स को स्केल करने की होती है?
What I am going to do is talk about the strategy which I have developed for our clients for the last many years. बहुत सारे आप में से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके छोटे होम स्टेज हैं या छोटे होटल्स हैं, एंड प्रॉबली आपको एक चैलेंज आता है कि मैं बना तो दिया बड़ा सुंदर है। प्रीवियस सेशन में एक हमारे फ्रेंड बोल रहे थे कि बनाना आसान है, बेचना मुश्किल है। सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू जब आप प्रॉपर्टी बनाते हैं तो आप क्या सोचते हैं कि मैं उसको कैसे बेचूंगा? यू हैव अ स्ट्रेटजी, आई नो। लॉट ऑफ माई क्लाइंट्स दे से कि वी हैव अ लार्ज नेटवर्क ऑफ ट्रैवल पार्टनर्स, हम उनके से अपनी प्रॉपर्टी को सेल करवाएंगे। लॉट ऑफ पीपल दीज डेज आर फोकस्ड ऑन OTAs. Many people are focused on walk-ins because they have a beautiful property around the road, and during their working in the business उनको challenges आने लगते हैं and they don't know where the problem lies. What strategy we develop for our clients is very simple. It is so simple that anybody can develop this. We have over the years developed a 9 pipeline system. इट्स द सेम वे जैसे आपको अपने फार्म हाउस में बहुत सारा पानी चाहिए तो यू नीड टू हैव वेरियस पाइपलाइन जो आपको पानी देगा। ओनली डिपेंडेंस ऑन OTAs और ट्रैवल एजेंट्स और एनी अदर वर्ड ऑफ माउथ इज नॉट इनफ। देयर आर वेरियस फैक्टर्स जो 9 पाइपलाइंस की हम लोग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करते हैं, जिसके अंदर व्हाट अबाउट योर गूगल माई बिजनेस पेज। बहुत सारे हमारे क्लाइंट्स से हम बात करते हैं, दे डोंट इवन नो अबाउट गूगल माई बिजनेस पेज, बस बना दिया पेज बट दे डोंट नो हाउ टू रैंक इट। आज की डेट में डिजिटल एज के अंदर मेनी ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स व्हेन दे रीच योर लोकेशन दे वुड सर्च होटल नियर मी और होम स्टे नियर मी। नाउ जब वो गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं होम स्टे नियर मी और होटल नियर मी, तब आप दिखते हैं कि नहीं दिखते हैं। अगर आप दिखते हैं तो आप बिकेंगे, अगर आप दिखते नहीं हैं तो आप बिकेंगे नहीं। दैट इज गूगल माई बिजनेस पेज। Then lot of people परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग के बारे में अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करते। दे नो कि गूगल एड्स होती हैं, दे नो मेटा एड्स होती हैं, दे नो व्हाट्सएप मार्केटिंग होती है, दे नो ऑल दिस बट दे डोंट डू बिकॉज दे डोंट नो हाउ टू। सो इफ यू क्रिएट अ बैलेंस बिटवीन योर OTAs with your travel partners, with your Google My Page, with your email marketing. A lot of people ask me कि टोनी ईमेल तो आजकल कोई चेक नहीं करता, बट इफ यू हैव 25,000 email database of your previous clients, and if you have a New Year party coming up, or you have something coming up, an event coming up in your hotel or homestay, try sending a mail to those 25,000 people. Your hotel or homestay will get full just by sending emails. That is the power of one particular pipeline. And then WhatsApp marketing, it's very powerful. The open rate is as big as high as 80-85%. So a balance, बहुत सारे हमारे दोस्त only focus on travel agents. And when you focus on one pipeline, be it travel agents, be it OTAs, I've seen my clients, जिनका 70% sale is only from OTAs. So imagine how much money they are paying to them. So my experience says that if you want to run your property long term, consistently and profitable throughout the year, you know friends, lot of people, my clients tell me कि जी हमारा तो seasonal business है. My question always to them is कि क्या इस सीजन में, बोले ये सीजन तो खत्म हो गया, इसमें अब कुछ नहीं होगा. Now my question is, मैं उनको बोलता हूँ कि उस डेस्टिनेशन पे अब लोग आने बंद हो गए. बोले नहीं, लोग तो आते हैं बट सीजन कम है. सो यू नीड टू बी स्मार्ट इनफ कि अगर 100 लोग आ रहे हैं उस डेस्टिनेशन पे और नॉन सीजन में, बिल्कुल ऑफ सीजन में 15 लोग आ रहे हैं, तो उस 15 में क्या अपना शेयर ले पा रहे हैं? अगर आप स्मार्ट हैं तो आप फिर भी अपना होटल होम स्टे भर लेंगे, अगर आपके पास स्मार्ट स्ट्रेटजी है. सो एक मिक्स ऑफ all the pipelines in OTAs and billboards is very powerful. Most of people don't do it. So एक system है which we have developed over a period of time, which can consistently, and marketing a hotel is no longer luck. We've been marketing small 5-star, 7-star homestays, all kinds of hotels for the last 35 years, and my experience is it is only a systematic process of developing a system which will work for you. Don't think कि ये मेरे पड़ोसी का homestay चल रहा तो ये lucky है. नहीं. Because he has done his due diligence on working on the entire sales pipeline in a very methodical way. So that's what I would suggest to the newer people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So my next question is for Aisha Dhara. Hospitality sector में एक brand image create करना कितना important है?
हेलो एवरीबॉडी. हॉस्पिटैलिटी सेक्टर में ऑफ कोर्स ब्रांड इमेज इज़ आई थिंक अबाउट 60 to 70% ऑफ योर बैटल वन. ब्रांड इमेज कैसे बनता है? आपका ब्रांड इमेज बनता है, बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जिनसे ब्रांड इमेज बनता है. वन इज़ योर विजुअल्स ऑफ द ब्रांड. आपका जो लोगो है, आपका जो ब्रांड का विजुअल है, जैसे आपका फोटोग्राफ है. सपोज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मौर्या शेराटन और अ मुगल शेराटन प्रॉपर्टी. उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है, उसका विजुअली है, वो जो अपने ब्रांड के बारे में बताता है दैट देयर इज़ अ थीम बिहाइंड द स्ट्रक्चर. So your visuals and your projection about the brand has to be very strong. That is one element. उसके बाद होता है कि आप किस तरह से आपकी जो स्टोरी, आपका जो ब्रांड है वो बता रहा है या नहीं. आपने क्या थीम रखा है अपने होटल का, आपका जो कोर वैल्यू है होटल की, आपकी वो दिख रही है आपके ब्रांड विजुअल में या नहीं. These are various elements which talk about a brand identity, which is very, very important for any homestay or any big hotel or any property to succeed. Homestay है तो homestay का उसका जो visual है, it should be so inviting. उसके जो surroundings है, they should be projected so beautifully in your brand story so that people are attracted to it and वो आपकी brand identity बनाए.
Thank you, ma'am. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ फॉर फ्लॉयड. सो ऑडियंस का ये क्वेश्चन था कि आपका होटल एक ब्रांड एंड बुटीक साथ में कैसे हो सकता है?
Thank you for the nice question. So before I even start asking anyone, I just would like to understand in the room how many hoteliers and how many homestay individuals. If you can, all the hoteliers can stand up. All the hoteliers. Okay. All the homestays. Amazing. So the first thing everyone has to do in your business is understand your customer. Before I even talk to you all, I need to understand who am I talking to. Who is my customer that's coming to my homestay, to my hotel. A little about me. My name is Floyd Tavares. I come from the land of hotels. I come from Goa. And in my corporate career, I was spearheading a brand called Deltin. We had around 5 5-star hotels and 5 casinos. Now I'm a brand consultant and a brand coach where we drive business for some of the country's biggest hospitality brands like Big Daddy Casino. We've written the white paper for Goa tourism on tourism in 2021. I also run a podcast. But why do I ask you this? I'm glad that my question came after you, ma'am, because brand for me is simple. You only have to make your customer smile. The only way you can measure customer happiness is smile. Right? So the definition of smile is smile and go the extra mile. Okay? Every homestay wants to have the standards of a hotel, and every hotel wants to have the personalization and the story of a homestay. So let me give you a simple framework, and I want you all to write it down. It's the SMILE framework for building any brand. And we've used this last year. All of our customers doubled their revenue, and all of them are multi-crore companies. The first S for every hotel or homestay is a story. Every hotel needs a story of its legacy, of its founders, of its location. The second is moments. How can we map our moments? Moments are every little touch point that you can make special for your customer. For example, a handwritten note is a moment. A small little cake on someone's birthday is a moment. But these cannot be one-off. These have to be done by design. You have to have a moment map. And that is how we've built some of the biggest brands. So M stands for moment in the smile. The I stands for what ma'am spoke about, identity. That's where your logo, what you look like, what you feel like, because colors, logos, typography is a science. The L, very important, which not many people focus on, everyone knows, is, anyone knows what L stands for? Loyalty. I'll go deeper. It's called local. How can we add local elements? Because when people travel, they want to taste local.
It's all about personalizing
about
your
personalizing.
experiences, and every customer walking into your property is your brand ambassador. Is likely potential to be your brand ambassador.
Yeah.
So they are the ones who will go and talk about your brand whenever they come and stay with you.
Absolutely.
That's what makes the brand identity. At the end of the day.
How can you get your local artist to perform? How can you celebrate the local cuisine? Because today I'm come to Delhi for one night. I want to know what I can do tonight in Delhi. I want to taste Delhi. So third L is local. And the last E is engage. How do you get them to post and engage about you, talk about you on social media? Now, you might have the best interiors, you might have the best service, but if you don't prompt the customer, no one will ever engage. And it's easy. We call it something called as user-generated content. How can we create small little installations and tell people every time you post, you enter the Traveler of the Week award. You enter the best dressed guest. Create concepts where people can be rewarded and engaged. Now I have this SMILE framework with touch points for everything. How to create your moment map, how to create your identity. I can send this playbook to you. Reach out to me on How To with Floyd. It's my gift on Instagram, How To with Floyd. And I will send this to you as a gift, the whole playbook. You'll just plug in, put those prompts into AI, you all will get your whole story. But commit that today onwards, you all will smile and go the extra mile. And that's how we build brands in hospitality.
So my next question is for Mr. Durvesh. So PR का असली role hospitality business में क्या होता है?
All right, so see, first we need to understand what PR is, right? So PR is all about publicity, correct? But आज PR is not about publicity, it's about perception. For example, अगर मैं किसी होटल को देखूं तो मैं उसके बारे में क्या सोच रहा हूँ, राइट? वो परसेप्शन कैसे बिल्ड होगा? बाय टेलिंग अ स्टोरी. सी अभी आपने सर ने पूछा कि कितने सारे होटल्स यहाँ पर हैं, तो 10 लोग खड़े हो गए, राइट? अगर ऐसा भी होगा कि अगर लेट्स सपोज यहाँ पर जैसे ये होटल है, इसके बगल में क्राउन प्लाजा है, राइट? सो अब ये दोनों आपस में डिफ्रेंशिएट कैसे करेंगे? बाय टेलिंग अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. सर के पास एक अलग स्टोरी है, मेरे पास एक अलग स्टोरी है, सर के पास एक अलग स्टोरी है. हम तीनों को अगर लड़ना है आपस में तो लड़ते रहेंगे, बट अगर डिफरेंशिएट करना है तो ही हैज़ अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, आई हैव अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, ही हैज़ अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. एंड द पीपल हु कनेक्ट विद मी विल कम टू मी, एंड द पर्सन हु इज कनेक्टिंग विद हिम ही विल कम टू देम, राइट? सो वी नीड टू बिल्ड आर स्टोरी. अब वो किसकी स्टोरी हो सकती है? हमारे ब्रांड की स्टोरी हो सकती है. दिस कैन बी आर पर्सनल स्टोरी एज वेल, जिससे हम पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कहते हैं, राइट? सो वी नीड टू डिफरेंशिएट फर्स्ट कि हमारी स्टोरी क्या है, एंड वो कंटिन्यूसली हमें ब्रांड पे काम करना होगा. दैट्स हाउ PR नीड्स टू बी बिल्ड फॉर दैट brand or for that hotel. So this is, I guess, it's all about PR, how you do for any brand or hotel.
थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर दुर्वेश. सो माई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ फॉर टोनी सापरा. आपके हिसाब से परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग कितनी इफेक्टिव है हॉस्पिटैलिटी सेक्टर में?
वेल बहुत सारे लोग जो छोटे होटल्स और होम स्टे, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम एड्रेसिंग टू, उनको परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग का मालूम ही नहीं होता कि व्हाट इज़ परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग. बहुत बारी मेरे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग क्या है. परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग इज यू पे एंड योर एड शोज. एनीथिंग जहां आप पैसा देंगे और आप दिखेंगे, दैट्स कॉल्ड परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग. एज ऑन टुडे व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड मार्केटिंग आवर होटल्स, almost 88, 89, 90, there was nothing called performance marketing. There was a different way we used to market hotels. Aisha would remember, as a PR, they were the most important people around building a brand. Still are, I mean, I'm not saying they are not, but things are changing now. With AI coming, with stuff happening, performance marketing अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट के लिए, व्हाट्सएप मार्केटिंग भी परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग है, ईमेल मार्केटिंग भी परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग है, गूगल एड्स भी हैं, मेटा एड्स भी हैं, ये सब परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग में आते हैं. अगर आप परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आप ये समझ लीजिए आप एक गाड़ी चला रहे हैं जिसके 4 टायर हैं, पर आप कितने टायरों पे चला रहे हैं मालूम? एक पे. बिकॉज जो 3 हैं वो इतने इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं बहुत सारे करीब 150 क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम करता हूं. अगर मैं रेशो उठाऊं 150 क्लाइंट्स का, 50 to 70% of the revenue which our hotels do, I mean, and talking multi-crore rupees of turnover, 50 to 70% of these revenues are a result directly or indirectly through performance marketing. Now, बहुत बारी जो स्मॉल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं उनको मालूम नहीं है कि ट्रैक कैसे करें, कौन सी कॉल मेरी मेटा से आई, कौन सी मेरा लीड हुई. सो देयर इज अ वेरी साइंटिफिक मेथड, अ गुड CRM. लाइक मोस्ट पीपल cannot afford a sales force or something. In those kinds of CRMs you can exactly know कि ये कस्टमर जिसने आपको 10,000 रुपए दिए वो कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था. वो कस्टमर जर्नी ट्रैक करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर स्मॉल होटल्स. बट इफ यू आर ए स्मॉल होम स्टे ओनर, आप कैसे पूछ के, द इजी वे इज कि आपको हमारे बारे में कैसे पता लगा. वो बोले हाँ मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे ऐड देखी थी आपकी. आपको कैसे पता लगा? हाँ मैंने आपका पेपर में पढ़ा था. आपको कैसे पता लगा? हाँ मैंने तो गूगल में सर्च किया था होटल नियर मी, तो आप आ गए. सो पीपल विल टेल यू एक्चुअली. सो इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग एंड यू आर थिंकिंग कि आपका प्रॉपर्टी क्यों नहीं चल रही, तो फ्रेंड मैं आपको बता दूं, एंड व्हाट यू कैन गो होम एंड डू अ मैथ कि भाई मेरा अगर 100 रुपए का रेवेन्यू है, कितना कहां से आ रहा है. Many of you will find that 60% of your revenue comes from travel partners, online or offline, and only 5% सीजन में कभी आपने ऐड चला दिया तो चला दिया, कभी कोई आपकी सिस्टर ने उठा के इंस्टाग्राम पे एक पोस्ट डाल दिया, उस पे 3 लाइक आ गए. दैट्स द ओनली मार्केटिंग यू आर डूइंग. सो व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट इज, अगर आप स्केल करना चाहते हैं अपने रेवेन्यू को, तो जो कर रहे हैं आप बड़ा अच्छा कर रहे हैं, ट्रैवल एजेंट से आप लीजिए आप जो रेवेन्यू लेना है, बट ट्राई परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग. एंड मैं आपको एक चीज और सजेस्ट करूंगा, परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग इज द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग. सीखिए उसको, पर इंप्लीमेंट किसी एक्सपर्ट से करवाइए. बिकॉज हाउ अ गूगल, सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सर वुड एग्री विद मी, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू सोर्स Baldies for your hotel, in Meta you can do this, right sir?
100%.
You can do that. It is that sharp targeting. But you need to, the Meta should need to understand which is a Baldy, which is not a Baldy. So it is your input on a daily basis required to Meta or Google, their algorithms, to tell them, boss, this is the kind of people I need. And the more you give them feedback, the more they improve. And by अराउंड माई गैस इज करीब 1 से 150 इनपुट जब आप गूगल को, मेटा को, परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग को दे देते हैं, अब उसके लिए आप 3 साल लगाएं या 6 महीने लगाएं या 3 दिन लगाएं, उसके बाद गूगल आपको एग्जैक्ट, मेटा आपको एग्जैक्ट मैच दे देगा कि आपको लोग कैसे चाहिए. आपको कपल्स चाहिए, आपको आपकी प्रॉपर्टी पे ड्रंकर्ड चाहिए, आपको अपनी प्रॉपर्टी पे whatever, I mean, imagination is yours. You only want males there, you want only females there, you want solo there. Anything you want watch is possible with with performance marketing. Thank you. है ना? So don't miss that out. I'm telling you, because I already told you the statistics. 50 to 70% of, I'm talking about 300 crore rupees of sale. 50 to 70% of sales for our clients come through this source. If you're not using it, एक टायर में चला रहे हैं आप गाड़ी को, that's it, yeah, please.
That is one aspect of
Yes,
it,
yes.
that identifying your target audience.
Yes, yes.
उसके next step में क्या होगा? Like once you've identified your target audience, suppose it's only baldies, how do you attract only those baldies to your property?
Sure. देखिए ऐसा है कि ultimately buying power is with the client. Now जो दिखता है ना आयशा, we've been working together on a project Kingdom Dreams, if some of you know. We used to target large people जो lifestyle families and so if you want baldies, then first of all your Google or your algorithm has to track the baldies, and then the product should come that baldies को हमारे यहाँ free complimentary चिप्पी मिलती है. Only then the baldy will come to you, na. So it has to be, if you want baldies. So if you want families only, then husband wife दो बच्चे आ गए 7 साल के. Now you need to understand about your product. वो 7 साल के बच्चे करेंगे क्या आपके पास आगे? Do you have a game there? और या वो हस्बैंड वाइफ अलग बैठे रहेंगे, वो दोनों बच्चे वो क्या करेंगे, पापा मैं बोर हो गया, पापा मैं क्या करूं, मैं पापा क्या करूं. सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई योर टारगेट ऑडियंस, देन यू नीड टू सेटिस्फाई देयर नीड, एंड देन द रेफरल विल किक ऑन. And once the reviews and referral kick on, like if you go to one of our hotels, which is a family-centric place, we have an Arcadia game center with 20 games. And if you search on the top, तो elements दिखाता है Google by page के ऊपर कि आपकी service अच्छी है, वो अच्छी है. Games is on the top. Now when somebody say, and we do 10 to 12 posts a month only showcasing our games launch. So जैसे ही वो प्रोफाइल देखते हैं, बच्चे आ रहे हैं, गेम्स लॉन्च की पिक्चर्स आ रही हैं, कर लाओ ये तो बढ़िया जगह मिल गई. नाउ दे विल नॉट गो एनीवेयर इवन इफ दे गेट, एंड वी आर नॉट चीपर, वी आर एक्सपेंसिव. अगर हमारे से बढ़िया होटल सस्ते दाम पे भी मिल रहा है ना, वो नहीं जाएंगे, वो इधर आएंगे जहां उनके बच्चे खुश रहेंगे. सो योर क्वेश्चन टू योर आंसर इज, वंस यू हैव आइडेंटिफाइड, यू हैव टू फुलफिल द नीड ओनली देन.
And that is why you need experts to handle this.
Yes, exactly.
So I can go a step further. In fact, start creating a story on bald people. Like the founder should say, my father was elderly, and when he went to a hotel, he couldn't walk into the rooms because there were many steps. So I created a elder-friendly hotel that and he was suffering from XYZ, and he was bald, and he was always disrespected at hotels. So I started this brand to give the care that elderly people need. And because of that, and I'm celebrating all the bald elderly people because my dad was bald. And so for that, I'm giving all the bald people. So that's how you connect the story.
No offense with baldies, please.
No, not at all. That's a trend, actually.
That's how deep we're going.
A
right?
desirable
Yeah.
trend these days. I think people in their 30s and 40s are also going bald. So that's all right.
And the scary part and the good part is there's something called as AI, right? Meta has a very strong AI that whatever you type and whatever you talk, whatever you think, it will understand and not only pay it, organically it will push it to to someone. So for example, our phones are hearing us right now, talking about bald. Very sure, shortly all of you all will see ads from Gillette, or very sure from some Head and Shoulders or from hair transplant. Trust me, that is the ad you will see this evening.
Yes.
So see, I'll add one example to this. Whenever I go to some networking events, right? So people do exchange lot of cards. I exchange numbers, and then Meta shows my ad to them.
Yeah.
So I don't promote myself directly. I just exchange numbers, and they'll show my ads to them. Because
great.
I'm continuously
And to
running
add to her
ads.
question, you know what? Lot of times you have a client base of say 5,000 numbers which you have collected over the last 5 years. Now you don't want to spam them.
Yes.
You know what you do? Just add those 5,000 numbers in your Meta ad, and those 5,000 people will get that ad, and that's called brand recall. That's how you pull people which have, because see, भूल जाते हैं लोग. Once they come to a location, next time वो भूल गए. But the moment they see an ad, you know what they will say? हाँ यार यहाँ गए थे तो बहुत ही जगह. चल फिर दोबारा चलते हैं. नहीं तो किसी friend के साथ बैठे यार यहाँ गए थे. This is a good place. So brand recall is very 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 crucial, and the performance marketing also helps in that. In brand recall. So brand recall, getting your clients in, selling them the product, and getting the feedbacks, promoting. it's a combination of, that is why 50 to 70% of sales of most people who do marketing comes from performance marketing.
No, and that is also a case in point which talks for being innovative and applying technology in selling your property. So, you know, technology is so important in today's times that we need to adopt it. You know, like we cannot afford to say, oh, I really don't know, what does this mean? We have to train ourselves constantly and consistently to stay, you know, up with the trends in technology, innovation happening in the market for helping us sell.
Aisha, when we came out of B school, the things we learned there, I'm 61 now, the things we learned then, 35 years back, are totally different today. I had to relearn in the last 10 years new things. My son, my daughter, they teach me stuff which I never read. But only thing is the
Absolutely, yeah.
principles are the same,
Yeah,
of
yeah.
course. Principles are the same, but things have changed, technology, and my dear friends, while we are sitting here, there is something being invented which will change the face of hospitality in the next 2 to 3 years. You will see this. Because every day it is innovating. So that's my say about the performance marketing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's very informative. So now I would like to give some time to audience if anyone wants to ask any questions to the speakers.
Thank you. Hello everyone. So it was lovely, amazing all panelists and speech. My question is from Floyd sir. मैं आपको काफ़ी टाइम से सोशल मीडिया पे लिंक्डइन पे फॉलो कर रहा हूँ और रिसेंटली मैंने आपका एक पॉडकास्ट देखा था अभी आ रहा के सर. सो माय क्वेश्चन इज़ कि जैसे आपने बोला कि हमारी जो ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी है वो जस्टिफाई करती है कि हम क्या हैं. लाइक यू आर डूइंग पॉडकास्ट, आप ब्रांड कंसल्टेंट भी हो और भी आपके अपने पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहे होंगे होम स्टे में. एज अ मी आई एम अ यूट्यूबर, आई रन माई ओन यूट्यूब चैनल इवेंट्रा व्लॉग. उससे पहले मैं एक आईटी प्रोफेशनल था, आज भी वो एजेंसी रन करता हूँ. अभी मेरे कुछ और भी साइड हसल चल रहे हैं. इफ़ वन पर्सन इज रनिंग मल्टीपल बिजनेसेस तो हमें कौन सी ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी लेके दिखानी चाहिए कि मैं ये जहाँ से धंधा आ रहा है या जहाँ से लोग आ रहे हैं. सिंपल.
So again, whatever you do, एक simple philosophy है. Focus, F-O-C-U-S. Follow one course until successful. Okay, and वो identity है, it has to bring you money at the end of the day. Because what is the point of creating content and creating a brand that you cannot monetize? So जो भी हम कर रहे हैं, there are two types of brand. There is a founder brand, which is the only thing which will win against AI. Because tomorrow, as per McKinsey data, by 2030, 63% of our jobs will be done by AI. That means 63% of the rooms will be without a job right now. So one is founder identity. Matlab, I call it a leap entrepreneur. What is a leap entrepreneur? An entrepreneur that loves what he does. Okay, you have to love what you do. E is high energy, A is action oriented, P is produces the best version of yourself and shares that with the world. Now what is it that you love to do? If you love to talk about IT, talk about IT. Okay, then create energy about IT, take action in the IT field and produce the best work in IT.
But I don't love that.
Whichever you love. So what do you love? What is it that you love?
I love with the networking of people and creating videos.
Networking is a channel, creating videos on what?
Creating videos on how to do, what is the challenges, stories of the people and media by taking featured on my YouTube channel, Eventra Vlog.
Okay, so you love creating content.
Yes.
So you can monetize content. You can monetize content through coaching people on content. If you've built a YouTube channel, there are, in this room, I'm pretty sure there are 50% of this room that want to know how to build a YouTube channel. Monetize it. But love what you do, create the best content, produce the best version of yourself. That's when you don't burn out. Otherwise, we all end up creating businesses we don't like to grow and we all want to retire early. So build a business you'd never want to retire from, and that will only happen if you love what you're doing and producing the best version of yourself and sharing that with the world. Formula is very simple.
Great. Thank you so much.
Anyone else wants to ask the question?
हाय टोनी, हेलो पैनल, दिस इज़ मोहित महाजन। मैं अमृतसर से हूँ, एक स्टैंड अलोन होटल है। मेरा सवाल टोनी और फ्लॉयड और मैम से भी है, तीनों से है कि क्या परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग विदाउट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी, परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग विदाउट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी, इसके बारे में आपके क्या थॉट्स है? इज़ इट पॉसिबल? और विद स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग हमारी ज़्यादा अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस देगी। आई वांट टू हियर योर थॉट्स।
See, in building a brand, like for example, Aisha and my friend here, they are into brand building. Okay, brand building is key. Brand is a tree which will feed you for all your life. So brand building is the key. But by the time you don't have a tree which gives you fruit, what do? You go to the market, buy the fruit, right? That's how you eat fruit. घर में आपने आम का पेड़ लगाया, अब वो 7 साल में आपको फ्रूट देगा, तो क्या 7 साल आम नहीं खाएंगे आप? खाएंगे ना? कहाँ से लाएंगे? बाजार से लाएंगे। सो जब तक आप अपने पौधे को नर्चर कर रहे हैं, जब तक उसको बड़ा कर रहे हैं, जब तक उसको डेली वाटर कर रहे हैं, डीसीड कर रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं, जब तक वो ग्रो कर रहा है, तब तक ये जो परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग वाला जो है, दिस इज लाइक गोइंग टू अ शॉप टू बाय मैंगो, बिकॉज दिस विल गिव यू इंस्टेंट धंधा. If you hire Aisha or my friend here, they are going to charge you a bomb. I know what kind of money she charges. Then where will you pay her the money? So you will pay the money. Give me 1 second. You will pay the money from the business you are doing, right? So where will business come from? जो दिखता है वही तो बिकता है ना. अगर आपका प्रॉपर्टी दिख ही नहीं रहा है तो बिकेगा कैसे? अगर बिकेगा नहीं तो पैसा कैसे आएगा? अगर पैसा नहीं आएगा तो इस तरह के लोगों को हायर कैसे करोगे? The aim is to make big money and hire these people who will eventually build your brand.
I'm giving a playbook for free, by the way.
My question to you is, आपको कितने साल हो गए अपना होम स्टे चलाते हुए? That's what I understand from you.
Nearly 20 years. For
20 years.
I am doing my hotel.
20
I
years.
was not able to do the branding the way it should be.
That
Okay.
is very need, Aisha.
No, okay, fine. But you must be having people who have come and stayed there and experienced your property, right?
Yes.
So have you been able to convert them into your brand ambassadors? As to who people who can go and talk about
Few
your
of them.
property?
Few of
Because which means that your experience in your property has to be so good that the person comes back and goes and talks about your property somewhere else.
That is how I am running my property. Now I am not doing, at this time I am not doing performance marketing or anything. From the old data and from the old brand ambassadors, I am getting all the business.
So then I would say that you need to go back to your drawing board now that you've been there for 20 years, and you need to maybe rejig your visual identity. Your performance marketing needs to be in place then, and your playbook from Mr. Lloyd.
That is what I was trying. Sorry.
I keep saying branding doesn't build your brand. Your 20 years of what you've done in your business, there's already, because brand is built by your customers, not by you. Okay, what I think of your brand when I come there is that is the brand. The branding element just defines what you, it's about telling people what you want to be known for versus them assuming what you're known for. Okay, so in your case, you have 20 years of data to now go back and say, this is my story, this is what they like. Better than someone who's starting up. This is my strength, this is my special staff who has a disability whose story I can talk about. These are my customers. You already have the story. Now the point is you have to take that, create the best story, take that best story and put it on performance marketing because you know which is the best story now.
See, this is a typical case of working your property on a single pipeline, that is walk-ins. See, that's what I was talking in the beginning. What about performance marketing? What about PR? What about branding? What about those are different.
That was actually my question. That these two things I think should go parallel rather than starting one thing and
you got it right, Mohit. They should all the pipelines, branding and everything. See, that was what we were talking about. That while you are building that tree, you need to eat mangoes also. So it should go hand in hand. Not that you will wait for until the tree goes and then you eat the mangoes, or don't grow the tree and just get mangoes from it. So yeah, absolutely. It's rowing a boat. You have to do branding also. You have to do making money also. You have to do this together. Did we answer your question?
yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That was a very good question. Thank you.
So we are short in time. So thank you to the speakers and the audience for your valuable time.
We enjoyed it too.
Yes.
We learned
Me
more
too.
than what
Me
they
too.
learned. Huh?
Me too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
smiling,
Can
guys.
we
Keep
clap
smiling.
together, everyone? I must say, what an interesting session it was. And Digital Sampark is getting people here. We are learning so much. And as Sir said, every one of us are learning together. Thank you so much. And I would request Amit Sir to please come up on the stage and let's felicitate all our speakers together. And yes, a selfie is a must. Thank you so much. And let's clap together, audience. I would request you. And as Tony sir said, कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. I think that is the जो सदियों से चलता आ रहा है, जो हमारे shopkeepers भी करते हैं. It's very important to show it, to sell it. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I would request all our speakers to please stay here for a group picture. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen,